Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's review video. So I will be reviewing a very famous foot cream, and I have been using this foot cream for a year now. Review is really tried and tested, so I know this will be really helpful for you. Do watch the full video if you are planning to buy this foot cream or not. If you are having any issues with your foot like pigmentation or tanning, do watch the full video because this video is going to help you a lot. So first of all, I will show you the product. So this is Vadi Herbals foot cream. So this is brand new. Just bought it because the previous one which I was using is just finished. So I have just bought this and I have not even opened the packaging on top. So this is brand new product and I will be opening it in the video itself. Let's talk about the packaging first. The outer box itself is very pretty and cute. This is a 30 grams product. I will be showing you the actual box. So this is the outer box is also pretty. So there we are. The product. This is a 30 grams product. It is a very travel friendly container. You can just take it in your purse and go off. You know, Vadi Herbals has very pretty products. I know this, and so even the outer box is also pretty. Anyways, this is not even opened now, so I'll just show you. So this has a seal on top and the seal is not opened. As I told you that this is a brand new product, I have not even opened it. I have been using this for a year now. So I bought it again. I don't know how many times. This is third, fourth time I'm buying this. So this is a brand new product. I'll open it and show you the consistency of the product. So I've opened the covering which was on the top. It was really good because it just saved the extra spillage when your product is in transit, and it really happens. The thing I wanted to say, how much this had cost me. This had cost me 56 rupees on Nykaa. So I haven't got any discount, but I think it's a very cheap product. Because the wonders which it does, I think the product is really cheap and I really love it. I have been using this and I will be telling you its benefits and all the things which it has done to me. And so I think this is a very cheap product. 56 rupees, now come on, where do you get less amount? Anyways, okay, now I will show you the consistency of the product. So this has a creamy texture. As you can see, it is light yellow in color. This product is not runny. As you can see, it is creamy and it has a very smooth texture. So I will show you the texture. Very creamy texture. So I will show it on my hand. As you can see, this has a very creamy texture and it blends really well. It just took me 2 seconds to blend it. So it's to blend and it's very nice and creamy. So I already feel the moisture on my skin. So it has already seeped through my skin and there's no oiliness on my skin, which is very good. I will talk about the ingredients of the foot cream now. So it basically has 4 ingredients which are very predominant in this. Sandalwood. Sandalwood is the thing which removes the pigmentation and the dark spots from your feet. It exfoliates your feet. Also has clove oil. As we all know that our feet is the one which really harbors the bacteria and the fungi and all the microorganisms. So that is disinfected by clove oil. You know, clove oil, this has clove oil which disinfects those bacteria and the fungi and all the other microbes. Has cocoa butter and jojoba oil. Those 2 ingredients are responsible for moisturizing your feet. So cocoa butter and jojoba oil are the one which really moisturizes the feet, and this is present in abundance in the product. Smell. I really give you honest reviews, you know that very well. So I will talk about the smell of the product now. So this really smells, this has a strong smell. The first emphasis I want to do is this has a strong smell. This has a strong smell of clove oil and sandalwood. The basic note is clove oil. So when you smell it, you just smell clove oil. I like the smell. I will be honest about this. I like the smell, but some people who have strong sensitivity to smell, those people might not like this. Maybe they might like it, but might be that they will have a bit of a sensitivity to this smell because it is a bit strong. But I like it. This did not bother me because the other things which I will be telling you what it does, those have been overpowering the strong smell. So this did not bother me. How to use this? Basically how I use it, I will tell you that, because we don't really have much time nowadays. All of us are working and I also work, so I know that we do not have so much time to care for ourselves. That is true. And moreover, it's feet, so feet is left just uncared for. So what I do is, at night when I go to sleep, before I go to sleep, I just massage it on my foot. So while I massage it very well between the fingers and on top of the fingers and also the whole foot. I just massage it very well on my foot. So I just leave it like that and go to sleep. So next morning what I see is my foot is really soft. This is the first observation and this really happens. I have been using this cream, really becomes soft and it is so healthy. And the dark spots, I have tan marks on my foot, those dark pigmented tan marks are really lightened. And yes, one thing I want to say is you have to be consistent. You don't see the results in just one day. You have to use it regularly to see the results. That is very truthful here, because I obviously haven't seen the results in just one day. I use it regularly. So after using it regularly, I really feel the result. I have seen the results. So that is why I thought that I should review this product. So another thing in winters you can do is, you can just massage the cream on your foot and wear a sock and go to sleep. You know, wearing a sock helps to nourish your skin further because it's holding the cream around your foot. So when you're lying down, when you're sleeping, it does not get rubbed on the bed sheet. So wearing a sock is good after you apply the cream, but that does not happen in India because India is a hot place. You cannot do this because India has long summers, so you can't do that. So in winters you can do that. You can just apply the cream and just wear a sock and go to sleep. So that's how you're going to use it. So what I want to add here is, some people have the problem with cracked foot. Thankfully, I do not have that problem. My main problem with my foot was the dark patches or the pigmentation or the tan marks which I had. So those problems are very well catered by this product, by Wadi Herbals foot cream. Those are very well catered. But the cracked foot problem, those people who have cracked foot and then they are painful for them, this product is not for them, because the cracked foot is not healed by this. I know that this product also claims that it is going to heal your cracked foot, but it does not. I have asked one of my relatives to use it. She had a cracked foot problem, but the product did not cater to that. That I wanted to add. So if you are having similar problems like me, like you are having pigmentation marks on your feet and your feet becomes dry very easily, and those problems can be answered by this product. You can use this. Please use it regularly, not just one day. So I wanted to add another thing, that this has a shelf life of 3 years. That is, you can use it up to 3 years. So that was a good deal because I like this product. I will give a thumbs up to this product. I will mark a 4 out of 5 to this product. Why 4? Because of that cracked foot problem. This product does not heal. So that's the reason I cut off the -1 mark. But other things I really like about this. You can give it a try. If you're planning to buy this product, please go ahead. And if you have cracked foot, don't buy it. If you want, I will be reviewing another product. There is a Wadi Herbals Foot Elbow Scrub. I use that also. So I will be reviewing that product too. I have been using it for a month now. So I think I will be reviewing that too. So if you like my video, please give my video a thumbs up. That is, like my video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon beside it to get all the notifications. Do share this video. Please comment below if you like my video or not. You are always welcome to comment. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bye-bye.